Kia Telluride, seat adjustment. You can adjust the front seat using the control switches located on side of driver's seat. Do not operate 2 or more power seat control switches at the same time. Moving forward and backward, push the seat control switch forward or backward to adjust the seat. When the seat reaches the position you prefer, let go of the switch. Reclining seatback. Adjust the seatback angle by pressing the control switch forward or backward. When the seatback is positioned as desired, release the switch. Changing seat cushion tilt and height. To adjust the front of the seat cushion, pull the front part, 1, of the control switch upward to raise it, or press downward to lower it. To adjust the rear of the seat cushion, pull the rear part, 2, of the control switch upward to raise it, or press downward to lower it. Release the switch when the seat is positioned as desired. Adjusting lumbar support for driver's seat, if equipped. The lumbar support can be adjusted by pressing the lumbar support switch on the side of the seat. Press the front part of the switch to increase support, or the rear part to reduce support. Release the switch once the adjustment is set to your preference. Adjusting cushion extension for driver's seat, if equipped. To adjust the cushion extension, press the front part of the switch to raise it or the rear part to lower it. Release the switch when the extension reaches the desired setting. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider supporting the channel by becoming a sponsor.